Say hi.
No, no. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look, let's show the camera all the animals that you know.
No.
Yeah, what's that animal? Turkey.
Kiki.
What does a turkey say?
No.
It's right. Good. What's that animal? What's that one?
Baby.
Kitty. What's the kitty say? Good.
Kiki. Ducky.
And good job. That's a ducky. What's a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Can you sign duck? Good. What's this one? What's this one? Look.
Bye-bye.
What's this one?
It's frog.
Frog. Awesome. What's a frog say? Ribbit, ribbit.
Frog.
So every animal says what noise they make, except the turtle. Where's the turtle?
Turtle.
There it is. What's the turtle say?
Turtle. Turtle.
You like the turtle song? Turtle sings a song. You like the turtle song? Yeah. Is that a crazy voice? Can you say hi to the camera? Who's that girl? Who's that beautiful girl? She's got her thumb in the way. Who's that beautiful girl? Who's this girl? She's tucking her thumb. Are you waving hi?
No.
You blow a kiss to yourself. Mwah. Mwah.